Hi guys, we're back. Right, I've had a bit of an epic doing this. I think again, I'm out of touch, but this is about my 5th intro. I have a cut in my head and I have a car in front of me that has been struggling with a bit of a boost leak. We took it to that last show at JDM Scotland and the way back it just wasn't really running right. It's not been starting right. And hopefully now I've got to the bottom of the problem. So I'll stick in a couple of time lapses. Just really me stripping bits off the car. I'll keep it short and sweet and show you where we're at in a minute. Right, so guys, just to show you here, so this was on the way home. So weirdly I've got 2 maps on this car, and even on the second map you can maybe just see on this blue diagram here the boost very sharply dropping off. So I'm getting up to about 6k RPM, sometimes not even that, where you can actually see it dropping off. If I go back here, that one is actually 4k RPM and it's starting to drop off boost. So I phoned RB Motorsport and they said there's a couple of checks you should do here, which I'm really hoping it is one of them, and I can hopefully rule out like actuator issues by hopefully proving that it's a pipe. So down here, I hope the video can pick this up, but we've got 2 connections from our boost solenoid. One goes to the inlet manifold, one goes round to the turbo. So first port of call, guys, is to check that these 2 are intact. Right, and the quick trick for this that I can take no credit for at all. So it looks like, so if we can see here, apologies for the lighting again, so we've got a bottom connection from the boost solenoid that seems to head down to the back end of the inlet manifold, and this top one I think goes round the back here. There's some connecting bars, probably passing my mobile phone, and down towards the actuators, which kind of tee off just underneath this twin turbo pipe. If I can get away with it without taking this off, I will do. But trick for doing it is if I can blow into this hose and blow through it effectively, then there is a problem. So if the hose is intact, I should be able to get back pressure from the actuators and I shouldn't be able to blow through it, if that makes sense. Look at this, guys. Camp bed pump. So much stuff off here, probably overkill. But if we zoom in here, there is my boost leak. So yeah, hopefully that is the problem going to be solved. I'll probably keep this short and sweet. I'm going to just go in and start repairing these. I bought some replacement hose off of Amazon last night. Might stick on a quick time lapse, guys, but hopefully the next time you see this I'm going to try start that up. We'll get back out, we'll do some data logging and see if we've got boost again. Here goes. Right, first positive to Amazon. I bought 5mm inner diameter instead of 6, so the tightness is snug, but honestly I'm just starting to take out these old shabby ones and I can feel myself getting another cut in the face in a second by pulling these about. Honestly, hats off to anyone that can work on these things day in, day out. Right, so that is the top guy replaced. I just probably said 2 seconds ago that I thought the smaller tube was the shout. It is a wee bit tight and it's a wee bit small for the connections I've bought, so I'm just going to go and check the rest of them. And the moment of truth, I suppose, is if I can not blow through that top hose anymore, I think it confirms I can stick this back together, guys. Right, quick check. I could literally blow through this with ease before. Dink! Right guys, we're back together. So there's a wee thing I'm not too happy with. So at both sides I can actually see a wee bit of oil, so I actually think it might be possibly crankcase pressure issue. Is it time to get the catch can in? Possibly. Anyway, side note, we're all back together. I'm embarrassed to say that I need to try and pump this wheel up. My compressor has just packed in, obviously, so I'm going to get this pumped up with, yep, you guessed it, that hand pump, and we might go and take this for a run. Right guys, we've made it out. I point blank refuse to believe that most, or if not all, of the channels that I watch on YouTube would sort something like that with a camp bed pump and then use literally a cheap hand pump for a bike to get out the garage. But we've made it out guys, we're running. I'm not sure if I'm totally happy with the idle at the moment. I'm giving the car the benefit of the doubt that it's not been running a wee while. Maybe some plugs are filled up or something like that, but we'll go a wee run. I think for now, I don't even know if anybody still watches these videos that long, but I think for now we've made it out here okay, and I'll maybe do the next video of how successful the data logging goes, whether it keeps idling or whether I even make it back up the road. But guys, cheers for watching, we're back out, see you soon.